ka bang 5,000 at naghahanap ka ng malilipatan agad within this year? Mura lang ang ilalabas mong cash out kasi nagre-renta ka pa. Maganda ang location like malapit sa mall, school sa mga bata, palengke, at isang ride lang going sa trabaho mo. Kung lahat ng yan ay check, then Dahlia Model is for you. This is Dahlia Model. This is located along the highway of Tanza, Cavite. As you can see, ganyan na kaganda ang bahay na ibibigay sa'yo. For a regular lot, 5,000 lang ilalabas mo for the reservation fee. 5,000 din ang cash out. And then, meron ka lang miscellaneous fee covering the installation of electricity. Yun lang ang babayaran mo. Within this year, makakalipat ka na agad. Paglipat mo naman, ang monthly amortization mo lang is only 12,000 pesos. Ang mura, no? So, kung nag-renta ka, ito na ang best talaga para sa'yo. Tara, pasukin natin yung loob.
This is the actual turnover unit. Plastered white paint sa loob. This is your kitchen sink. And your laundry area is spacious na pwede mong i-extend sa kitchen mo. You have concrete stairs kaya matibay. And you have spacious 2 to 3 bedrooms na pwede mong i-partition. At ang favorite ko, ang amenities ng subdivision. Gusto mo na bang magkabahay? Join our free house tour this coming Saturday and Sunday. See you!